So we are about 10 days in, living in the van. We're going to do laundry today. Very important. That's where we're doing laundry. And this is
we finally managed to get into the laundromat. We had to wait for quite a bit, but
yeah, a little bit of waiting for that.
No big deal. We came back now and we have 2 loads currently running in there, and I guess one of the advantages of living in a van is we just stepped outside and we're gonna make a salad for lunch while the clothes are washing, and then move them to the dryer.
Yeah, I mean. We're done with the first lot of laundry.
First load of laundry.
Now he's folding it, I'm going for the second one.
All in all, not a bad experience at all. Super clean laundromat. People were super nice. Helped us out, helped us figure out how it worked. Really cheap. Like 2 loads of laundry and two loads of washing and drying. Plus I bought a fabric conditioner, and in total I paid about $6 for all of that. So really cheap, and it worked out pretty well. We did have to wait a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. So yeah, I think that worked out pretty well. And now we have clean clothes for another 2 weeks. Don't have to worry about it for quite a while. So I have not done laundry at a laundromat since I was at university, and even then it was a campus laundromat, not just a random one in the city, but that was fine. Yesterday when we came here, there was a huge cruise ship out on the water, and they had been bringing tourists in, so this whole street was packed around this time of day, and now it's completely empty. It was all people from the cruise.
Yeah, they were trying to sell.
Now there's nobody on the street. Yeah, they had vendors with all kinds of things, and it was super lively. And now there's actually nobody here. The cruise left, so everybody else seems to. I mean, it's siesta time as well, but.
Well, we did some work done on the videos for YouTube, and
just
now
bear with us because we're absolute beginners.
And now we're gonna wander around the streets, I guess. And there is vinos, cerveza, mezcal, cafe, lots of choices, lots of options to drink. Is there trash? There is trash. Well, very good. We are going as well to have a one cerveza stop. Ha! pit stop for cerveza, and then we're gonna go home and dinner, cook dinner. Muchísimas cerveza. Well, Lily is cold. We are walking back to the van, and she's cold. Okay, it's been windy in the past couple of days. Very much. It's a lot of waves as well, but it's still warm. So we are just ate our dinner. We had some rice with vegetables. Lily had some tuna as well, canned, but good.
And we ate it on a park bench right in front of our van.
Yeah, very
with very nice vibes from the restaurant behind us.
Yeah, music, ocean, all good. Well, we're gonna go sleep. I know it's early, 8:30, but we're gonna
This is life now.
make a bed
This is
as
life
today we did the first laundry.
Finally clean sheets, whoop whoop.
So, yeah. Have a good one.
Yeah, have a good one, everybody.